Excuse you. Hey guys, it's Alicia. Okay, thank you guys for coming back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my own lash lift. Now, me plus chemicals plus my eyes. Probably not the best thing in the world, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna be using this Vassoul new lash lift kit that I got off of Amazon, that you can also get off of Amazon. I'm pretty sure that it was like less than 25 bucks. Inexpensive, affordable, which means that you can get it and do it too. So you're gonna watch me probably mess it up so that you don't mess it up too. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and pick out my lift pads because they said they have 5 different pairs in this little teeny ass box, and I just want to see how it works because anyways, I guess you choose the one that is best for your eyelid. I'm guessing the longer your lashes are, those are the ones that you should use depending on how long they are. Definitely am not going to be using small. I'm gonna go with M2. The instructions say, avoid contact with eyes and skin. Patch testing is recommended. Okay, we're just gonna not listen to that. Use the cleanser solution to use the cleanser solution to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. Okay. I just took some on the cotton round. Just on the eye patches now. All right, so you're just going to laying it down and trying to, here we go. You select the lift pad, which I've already done. I'm trying to do it so you guys can see it too. Just to use the Y tool and the comb. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on. And use the comb, which is just the stud, with the lash glue, and brush them up onto the form. Here things. I'm gonna apply the perm lotion onto the lashes and then cover it with a film. So I'm applying a generous amount without getting too close to my lash line because I am thoroughly scared. This stuff smells exactly like a relaxer. Okay. Okay, so this low-key burns, so I'm a little scared. I don't know. The medic in me is telling me to take this shit off and go wash my eyes out. I kind of want to just see where it goes because I have a problem.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 4 days later. And I'm gonna be completely honest, y'all. I don't see no type of difference. Editing the first part because it was gonna be a full tutorial. I actually did the entire thing. But the more that I was watching, like, I really just recorded like mayhem, chaos, me burning my eyelid. Like, I finally, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but all of this was scabbed over, so it looks a lot better, but it's still really tender. And see the lashes, they're no different than how they were looking before. Nothing has changed. Like, I just really don't recommend it. And I think that for one, they need more instructions. Like, I don't think that there was enough there at all. Number two, that glue, trash. That glue was trash. If I ever do it again, I think the real problem is that the eyelid like patches, not the patches, because the patches were underneath, but the eyelid forms, they didn't stick, so they were coming up. So because they were coming up, when you were putting the perm on and putting the fixation liquid or whatever it was called on, it smelled like relaxer. It is literally the same thing that you use to relax your hair, perm your hair. And every black girl knows exactly what that smells like. And I was scared, bro. I was so scared. Just stopped. That's probably why I don't see any real results, because because I could not do it, because the information that they gave you was trash. The glue was trash. Them eye patches underneath were not freaking sticking. Nothing was really working. Nothing was working. I don't know, maybe it's just user error for me, but I would not recommend that anybody try to do a lash lift at home. If you're not like a cosmetologist, do not do it. I would not recommend for anybody to do this at home by themselves if you've never done anything like it. But other than poking myself in the eye, I really thought I was gonna lose all my lashes. Like, I really thought that all my lashes were going to fall out. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video or content like this, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And go ahead and also hit that subscribe button, and also turn on my post notifications, because I don't know, we're going up. We're only going up in 2022 with this YouTube channel. So become a part of the family early. Just like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodaloo, little loos, goodbye.